Question 7. The Queen of Spades always lies for the whole day or always tells the truth for the whole day. Which of these statements can she never say? So I've written them here. So this is yesterday, this is today, and this is tomorrow. So today, if she's telling the truth, then yesterday I told the truth. She's telling the truth about yesterday, and therefore this is possible. If she's telling the truth today, then she says, yesterday I lied. Well, then she could well have done. It doesn't matter whether she was telling the truth or telling a lie today. Yesterday she could have lied. It's true. Or she didn't lie. Yesterday I lied. These both work. Today I tell the truth. Well, if she's telling the truth today, she is telling the truth, and therefore this is correct as well. Today I lie. So if today she lies, then she's lying about lying, which means she's telling the truth, which means that this one is the imposter. This one is the one that she couldn't have said. Tomorrow I shall tell the truth. It doesn't matter if she's lying or telling the truth today. She can say whatever she likes tomorrow. It can be the truth, it cannot be. So this one is true. So therefore the answer is going to be D.